Hello, wonderful people. Today we are at the Brenton on Brady. I am going to give you a tour of our Studio K apartment. This is a studio apartment with a loft located up above. The loft area features carpet. You've got plenty of outlets, including a cable TV outlet. You've got views from above that go down below to your bedroom/living area. This loft area can be used as added storage, living space, or whatever you may like to use it for. To access the loft area, you have this unique industrial ladder, which is a very cool feature. At the entryway, you have a closet for coats, brooms, mops. You have your bathroom. Got the vanity area. The mirror is a medicine cabinet for added storage. You do have a walk-in shower. This will wrap around to the kitchen area, which has a full appliance package, including a full-size washer and dryer. You've got the above the range microwave, electric ovens and stoves. Nice cabinetry with adjustable shelving inside. You've got your dishwasher. The sinks have the automatic spray nozzles, which is a nice added feature. Soap dispensers. Refrigerators are built with automatic ice makers. You've got a tremendous amount of natural lighting that comes in. You've got unique arches for architectural features. You've got the energy efficient heating and cooling. This is your living room, bedroom area. Again, this is a studio apartment. Up above is your loft area that overlooks your kitchen and your living/bedroom area. So this is one of our lovely units at the Brenton Lofts. Come check us out today.